Hello! I'm in the greenhouse today and we're fast approaching the time when normally I'd start sowing some seeds, but it's presenting me with a bit of a problem. But don't worry, I've got a cure and it won't cost me anything. I'm Gang, welcome to the channel Gang and Peanuts, 2 peas in a pod. Now the problem that I have is that my Vitopod is taking up all of the space on my staging. And I don't have any more staging. I've looked around, it's quite expensive, and I'm not prepared to pay £100 for a 4-foot piece of staging, so I'm going to make some. Can I do it? I don't know. I don't think this will be a masterclass in carpentry, but hey, let's give it a go. This is a pallet that's been kicking around on my allotment for a while now. I've kept hold of it because I knew there'd always be a use. It's a little bit big for what I want, but I'm going to cut it down. I've brought the power tools. And yeah, the best thing is, it won't cost me a penny. Now, another piece of timber here, which should be perfect for some legs. I just need to cut it, pop it in the car, and I think I'm ready to go. Let's hope it's not too close to those nails. Okay, here we go. Now, as you can see, down the side of the greenhouse, I don't have any staging at all. Just some buckets with a few brassicas in it that are growing over the winter. So I think that's going to be the perfect place to put some homemade free staging. Yep, let's do it. Okay, let's measure this timber for some legs. We're looking for 80. It's about there. Lovely. Now, that's the top. The legs are fitted, and as you can see at the back, they're slightly different lengths because I have a paving slab along one side of this greenhouse. But that looks okay. It's not perfect, but I think once I put a covering on that, that'll look great. So there we are. That's my my greenhouse staging work surface finished. I haven't gone for the let's make it look great element. But it does give me some more space, and it's going to be functional. And the seed sowing starts quite soon, and I'm very pleased with this. Anyway, thank you very much for taking time to watch this video. I hope it entertained you. If you like what you saw, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe. I'll be glad to see you join the channel. So anyway, I'm Gang Gang. Thank you very much for watching. This is Gang Gang and Peanuts, 2 peas in a pod. And as ever, until next time, take care. Bye.